Yes! Oh my god! To me! No! But you don't even know where we are! Where are we? Are we in this Are we in this BCC? We're not, Barbara, but right now. We're not in Santa
We're in Las Vegas, Carly.
You want to go to the casino or not?
We're going to the casino?
In Las Vegas? Do you look so
Carly.
high right now?
I think
Don't put it to my mouth.
This is rated R
Carly, I think
video.
the cops are here. Carly, the cops are here. The cops are here.
Stop! Oh my god, I'm gonna kill someone, I think. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! I'm gonna kill someone! I'm gonna kill someone! I swear to God, leave me alone! Why is he down? Stop talking to me, please! I lit Ashley's car on fire. I mean, Rachel's car on fire. Rachel, fucking drive away! God damn it!
What were you screaming?
Rachel, drive away!
God damn it, Rachel!
Rachel?
God damn it!
Rachel's not even here.
Drive away! God, you ran it!
God, you ran.
What are you saying?
Wait, Rachel!
Rachel, go! Go now!
That is not Rachel.
That's Jamie. Why are you? She's sucking on her thumb.
Hey, I'm not Rachel. I'm ready.
I'm
Go!
taking a piece of gum.
Rachel,
There's none in here.
Rachel, can you drive away?
There's none in there.
Fail! Fucking failure! Why? Because you didn't know how to fucking turn on a light thing towards those people who are renting their room from you. God
What?
damn.
No one was running a room.
What is she
anywhere.
saying?
I wanted to run from her because you know
We're in a
Can you
car.
speak English, please?
Something about a
Are we gonna go to
mom.
the casino or not?
I don't know what you're saying. Why the fuck would I understand that? I have no idea. Okay, you need to speak
Are we-
English while you're going through Medina Canyons.
I need to speak
We know where
English.
you're going, so we can. Oh my god.
What did you drive? How much did you drink?
What did you
Jamie,
drink?
Jamie, how much did she
I'm pretty
drink?
sure this is you.
I'm not Jamie.
Yes, you are.
You're Jamie.
You're you.
You're
I'm
Jamie.
not.
Jamie, what?
Jamie.
No.
Jamie!